pagbibitch. Ayan guys. Back.
Wow!
Back. Back. Back.
What?
Pack na pack yan. Ayan siya guys, yung aking swimsuit for today.
Oh my God.
Ayan na guys. Pack. Ayan guys. Ang ganda niya. Pack. 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 Ayan. Ano siya guys? Shein brand. Shein brand siya guys. Oh. Ayan. Oh. I really love it. Pack na pack siya guys. I'm so happy. Ayan. Ready na naman ako sa aking pag-beach, guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng kanyang ano, guys, oh. Ang kanyang likuran. Ang ganda. I really love
Oh my
it.
God.
Ayan. Ayan, lagyan natin ng lotion para hindi tayo ng guys. Para hindi tayo ayan.
Oh my God.
Yung ating skin. Diba ang ganda niya guys? Ayan, pack na pack. Ayan, parang model na naman ako guys. Oh. Ayan, swimsuits guys. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Oh. Pack na pack siya guys. Ayan oh. For only 250 pesos guys. Ang ganda. I really love it. Ayan oh. Pack na pack siya guys. Tara naman. Ayan. I really love it. One of my favorite color, guys, yung ating pink swimsuit. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. Ayan, guys. High waist siya. And high waist yung ating swimsuit. Ayan. I really love it. Pack na pack. Ayan, guys.
Oh my God.
Ayan, feeling na naman ako, guys. Ayan, I really love it. Yung ating swimsuits na napakaganda. Ayan, guys, sa murang halaga lang. Ayan, sa murang halaga lang siya, guys. Meron na naman akong pang-rampa, di ba? I really love it. Ayan, I'm ready na, guys, sa aking fashion walk at sa aking pagbi-beach. Ayan, guys.
Wow!
Back.
Oh my God.
Yeah, first time.
Oh my God.
What?
I really love it.
Oh my God.